Good morning, dear students. My name is Sarita Singh. My name is Sarita Singh, and I will teach you general science. I will teach you general science. So, I will start from the chapter 1. Name of the chapter 1 is the crop production and management. Crop production and management. Crop production and management. So, in this, first I will start with the introduction. I will start with the introduction. So, you know that India has primarily an agricultural country, and agriculture was known to the people thousands of years ago. And in Rigvedic times, wooden plows were pulled by bulls or oxen, seeds were sown in furrows, maize was cut with sickles and stacked, threshed and winnowed. Canals were dug for irrigations. Cattle dung was used as manure. That cattle dung used as manure, and as time passed by, agriculture keeps on progressing. Even today, 70%. Even today, 70% of our population is engaged directly or indirectly in agriculture. And the term agriculture is derived from two Latin words, that is the ager, which means field. Ager, which means field. Ager means field. Ager means field, and ager means field, and cultura means cultivation. So we can say that agriculture means field cultivation. Agriculture is taken from two words. Ager means field, cultura means cultivation. So you can take ager, that is the field, cultura means cultivation, and so we can say that agriculture is the cultivation of field. We can say that agriculture is the cultivation of field or land, and in a broader sense, it is the science of growing plants and raising animals useful to the humans. So agriculture includes the cultivation of land, breeding and management of crops and animals. And horticulture, hortus means, now come to the, what is the horticulture? What is the horticulture? What is the horticulture? Horticulture. That hortus means garden, cultura means cultivation. Hortus means garden and cultura means cultivation. Means garden cultivation. Horticulture means garden cultivation, and it is the branch of science. Horticulture is the branch of science, and in this it is the growing vegetables, fruits and ornamental plants. It is the growing vegetables, ornamental. It is growing vegetables, fruits and ornamental plants. And the land where plants are cultivated is known as the field. Where plants are, what is the field? Where plants are cultivated is called the field. And if you visit a field during the different periods in a year, then we can find the farmers performing different activities like preparing the soil and sowing the seeds, watering the fields, irrigation, that system they are doing the different activities in the field. First, for sowing any seed, they are doing the preparation of soil. First step is the preparation of soil. They are preparing the soil according to the crops, and all these activities done by the farmers are called the agricultural practices. All the preparing, all the activities which is prepared by the farmers, that is called the agricultural practices. And if you have ever seen a tractor in a field, you have seen one of the most common machine used by the farmers in their fields. So farmers use all kinds of machinery to make the job of growing crop easier, and the tools required in carrying out the activities involved in the cultivation of plants are known as the agriculture implements. The tools which is required for the agriculture, and it is required for the carry out all the activities involved in the cultivation of plants are known as the agriculture implements. Some of these implements are used with the help of animals like bullocks and camels, and these days you can see that tractors and harvesters are being used by the man in the work. Means now different tools are there, different techniques are there, different kind of machines are there. They are using the agriculture, so that's why that work is become easier. And so crop plants or crop refer to the plants of the same kind grown and cultivation at one place in a large scale. You have to do activity 1, visit an agriculture field and see how various implements are used. And the product which we obtain from a crop is called the produce. So till here you will take revision.